Well, the abortion rights advocates are quite happy with the Supreme Court's decision, and as you might expect, people on the pro-life, anti-abortion side of the issue are quite unhappy with the decision. The court, by a 5-3 majority, struck down two regulations of abortion clinics in Texas that the state had said were necessary to protect a woman's health, and that the court found were really not. And the court said that the real purpose of the regulation seemed to be to make it harder for women to get an abortion, which was the argument that the clinics had made in challenging the law. The law, which was passed in 2013, had actually cut the number of clinics in half in Texas between 2013 and today, and would have left just about 10 or maybe fewer clinics open in the state if it were allowed to take full effect. And now, certainly with Justice Scalia's death and the prospect that he could be replaced if Hillary Clinton becomes president with a Democratic appointee, makes that even less likely that the court would anytime soon have a majority in favor of rolling back abortion rights. The Supreme Court unanimously overturned the corruption convictions of former Virginia Governor Bob McDonnell in a case that probably will make it harder to mount public corruption prosecutions, certainly for bribery.
Just let us through, please.
Any thoughts this morning as you head into sentencing?
The question in the case, it really came down to, was whether what McDonnell did, helping to arrange meetings and the like, constituted official acts of the governor's office, or was he just doing something that politicians do all the time for constituents, which is making phone calls to set up meetings and the like. And the Supreme Court today said in an opinion by the Chief Justice that without more, that a telephone call or suggestion that someone hold a meeting by itself can't constitute an official act that would open up an elected official to bribery charges.